Hello friends, today we are discussing the first constitutional approach emerging from the recent abortion-related judicial debates in India, and that is about the fetus-centric judicial approach. This discussion gained a lot of attention after the recent Supreme Court observation in the cases involving the termination of pregnancy, especially where the courts had to balance between the rights of the pregnant woman and the protection of the unborn fetus. Well, under the fetus-centric judicial philosophy, the courts primarily focus on one of the very important principles, and that is unborn life also deserves legal and moral protection. Well, this approach believes that once a pregnancy advances and the fetus becomes viable, the state acquires a strong responsibility to protect that unborn child. Therefore, in some cases, the courts become cautious while permitting the late term abortions. The judicial may ask, number one, is the fetus capable of survival? Number two, can the pregnancy continue safely? Number three, is the termination ethically justified at this stage? And number four, can the child later be given for the adoption? Under these approaches, the preservation of pregnancy becomes an important constitutional and ethical concern. So, historically, several courts in India have observed that a woman's autonomy, which is important, but the rights of the unborn child also cannot be completely ignored. At the same time, the critics also say that the excessive the focus on the fetal protection may sometimes overlook again the mental trauma, dignity, and the autonomy of the pregnant woman. And this is why exactly the modern constitutional courts are now struggling to balance between these two competing interests. So that was all about the fetus-centric approach. In the next video, we will discuss about the woman autonomy and the reproductive rights approach by the Supreme Court, where the courts increasingly prioritize bodily autonomy, dignity, and the reproductive choice of the woman. So that was all about this case. Thank you so much. I am Dr. Nilesh Tank, medical legal expert and pediatric surgeon. Thank you.